there, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with mascara that clumps, smudges, or just doesn't give your lashes that wow factor, you're gonna wanna stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tip that can elevate your beauty routine. Today, we're exploring the Black Radiance Bodybuilding Mascara in Black, a product that promises thicker, longer-looking lashes with a smudge-proof, clump-free finish. This mascara comes in a single tube but packs a punch with a pigment-rich formula designed to volumize and define. The brush is thicker than your standard mascara wand, which helps comb through each lash to prevent clumping while creating noticeable volume. It's designed to build a bold look, but also allows for a more natural style if that's what you're going for. Black Radiance has been a trusted name in cosmetics for over 20 years, particularly known for creating products that cater to darker skin tones while empowering women of color to feel confident and radiant. When I tried this mascara, the application was surprisingly smooth. The thicker brush separated my lashes effectively, coating each one evenly without any flaking. I was able to build up the volume gradually, which is great for customizing your look from daytime elegance to nighttime drama. The smudge-proof claim held up well during my day-to-day tests, even in a warm, slightly humid environment, which is always a key test for me because no one wants raccoon eyes. One thing to note, while it's excellent for creating volume, those with very fine lashes might need a few extra coats to achieve the dramatic effect. Pros: the formula is rich and long-lasting, the brush design really does separate lashes, and you get that customizable volume without clumps. It wears well throughout the day, and the black pigment is deep and intense, perfect for defining your eyes. On the flip side, it's not waterproof, so if you're expecting a mascara that can handle tears or a heavy workout, you might want to layer it with a waterproof coat. Also, some may find the brush a bit thick if you prefer precise application for lower lashes. In terms of value, this mascara sits at a very reasonable price point for a quality volumizing product. Considering the performance, pigmentation, and the brand's commitment to inclusive beauty, it feels like a solid investment in your makeup bag. Compared to some high-end volumizing mascaras, Black Radiance delivers impressive results without the premium price tag, making it a standout option for budget-conscious beauty lovers. The tube itself is well-constructed and easy to handle, and the wand design holds up after multiple uses without bending or warping. Longevity-wise, it's excellent for daily wear, maintaining lash volume and definition for hours without needing touch-ups. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't had to interact with Black Radiance's customer service directly, the brand has a strong reputation for responding to inquiries and standing behind their products, which is reassuring if any issues ever arise. If you're exploring alternatives, a slightly cheaper option that still gives decent volume and definition might be Maybelline's Lash Sensational. However, in terms of pigment richness and inclusive beauty focus, Black Radiance has a unique edge that makes it a compelling choice. Overall, this mascara excels at what it sets out to do: volumize, define, and give lashes a bold, smudge-free look. It's ideal for anyone looking to enhance their lashes without fussing with multiple layers or worrying about clumps. While it's not waterproof, for everyday wear and versatility, it truly stands out. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this mascara, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to grab your own tube is in the comments or description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.